Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to create and just very basics on how to use an eBay account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open a browser that you are comfortable with using. I'm using Google Chrome. Next thing that you're going to do is go to the bar at the top and type in ebay.com. And then once you get to eBay's home screen, you're going to go to the top left corner where it says register just above the eBay logo. Click on that. When you get to this screen, you're going to fill out your information for your account. So for this, we're just going to do an example. And for your eBay user ID, eBay doesn't want you to use your email address or your full name, so you have to kind of be a little creative at this point and come up with something a little different. So we're just gonna do whoops. And then for your password, they want you to use a capital letter and a mix of letters. So just pick any password that you think you'll remember, and that meets the requirements. When you're done with that, just click on the submit button, and this will come up. And you can just click on continue. Okay, so the first thing that eBay is going to want you to do when you have made your account is to enter some things that you would like to see on your feed, which is basically just when you log into eBay what you want to show up. So if you have made an eBay account for a specific reason, maybe you're buying electronics a lot from here or something like that, you might want to type that in, so we'll just do that. And you can click preview and it'll show you the kind of things that'll show up when you type in electronics. And if that looks good to you, you can just click follow. And then it gets added into your interests. So that's basically just saying that this kind of stuff will show up on your home screen when you log into eBay. You could do anything, like you could do music, preview that one, just to see. And then you get all these fun things to look at when you log in. So yeah, you don't have to do it, but if you want to, you can, and that'll show up every time that kind of thing will show up every time you log into eBay. So if you don't want to do that, you can just click on the X and skip everything I just said, that X in the corner. And now we're going to go over, and we can see this kind of stuff is actually showing up for us already. So anyways, and you can always go back and edit those if you want to add more or delete them. You just click on this edit button right here. So next we are going to just do a basic search on how to purchase your first item from eBay. So let's just pretend we want to buy an iPod. Type in iPod in the search bar and hit enter or the search button. And at this point it's going to show up a lot of different options, different people you can buy from different kinds of iPods, and you'll see over here you can you can make the search more specific. So if you're looking specifically for the iPod Classic, you could click on that right there, and only iPod Classics will show up. So that's kind of nice. You can click on if you want to buy something new, if you want something used. You can even do the generation of iPod. You can enter prices, what your price range is. And then this is kind of interesting. You can see if you want to do an auction or a buy now, which I'm sure most people know that part of eBay is live auctions where you can bid on things. We're not going to go over that because that would take more time than the space of this video. So we're not going to go over auctions, but we're just going to go over the buy it now option. So we can click on that, and it'll give you all the iPods that meet your criteria that you typed in. So anyway, we're going to go back and look at this one. So when you find one that you think looks good, you can just click on it. And then one thing I think is good to do before you buy anything on eBay is to review the seller's information. So for this person, they have 100% positive feedback, which is really good. I usually try to buy from people that do have positive feedback because you want to make sure that you're going to, get your stuff on time, and that if there's any issues with your order, that the seller will accommodate you. So 100% positive feedback is definitely something that you are going to want to look for, I think. That's very important. So also, if you're not sure that you want to buy it right away, you can add it to your watch list, which is right here. And that'll just put it in a list for you on your account so that you can go back and check on it and see if it's been bought yet. And then if you want to have this ready to go for you to buy, but you don't want to buy it right this second, you can just add it to your cart, and then you can continue shopping on eBay until you're done with everything that you're looking for, and you can just check out all at once rather than having to check out multiple times. So another thing that's pretty cool is it'll tell you about the shipping. This one has free shipping, as you can see right here. It'll also tell you when it'll probably get to you. So right here it says our estimated delivery. It tells you how you have to pay for it. So for this, you need to have a PayPal account, and the buyer does take returns, which is also another good thing. If you have anything wrong with your order, that's definitely good to know. So yeah, and that's basically all the features of this. So when you're ready to buy it, you just click on buy it now. And at this point, you're going to enter in your information, and at this point it's very easy to continue on. So we're not going to go over anything more than this because I would have to actually buy this iPod. But yeah, that's basically it. At this point, you just follow what eBay tells you to do. It's very easy. It's just like buying anything else online, and that's all. So yeah, I hope this was a good tutorial. Thank you for watching.